Yeah, come on.
My name's Dave Hurl. I play harmonica.
Bye bye bird, bye bye bird, bye bye bird, bye bye bird, bye bye bird done gone.
During the wintertime, it's dangerous. Don't like to do it in the van too much, you know. Holy moly. It's real dangerous. It can be slippery. So I prefer flying, but occasionally you just have to do it.
Bird done gone. Bird done gone. Gone, gone, lost his happy heart.
Blues is perennial. It's about honesty and the truth, and singing your soul and playing your soul. You can't mask that, you can't hide that. It will always be out there, and people will always dig it because it's all about the truth. The blues is the truth.
Ain't that loving, baby? Ain't that loving, baby? Ain't that loving, baby? Don't even know my name. I don't even know my name. Don't even know my name. Don't even know my name.
You know, I've played all over the States. I've played in every Canadian province. I've played all over the world, really. But wherever I am at any particular moment, that's my favorite place to play. I've been playing harmonica, let me see, carry the 5, 38 years. I started playing when I was 15 years old. I heard Paul Butterfield at the Fillmore Auditorium, and he totally inspired me, and I picked up on it.
The world just keeps on spinning around, but I'm ready to die.
love bacon. Ever since I was a little kid.